So with the fantastic news that we've had about Northern being the train operating company operating on the new Northumberland line, that brings new trains and new services between Newcastle and Ashington, and with it will bring lots of great opportunities for local jobs both within and outside of Northern. So Northern is the second biggest employer in the North East region and growing even more over the next few years. We recognise that some of our local communities getting access to work is often dependable on us being able to provide that transport to and from the workplace. And as we expand and grow, we want to drive forward success within the region and ensure that it's sustainable growth. So putting customers at the heart of everything that we do is really high on the agenda for Northern. In areas of high unemployment, there's often an association with low self-esteem. So as we expand into new areas, we're looking to help these communities getting them job ready, and we're looking to make sure that we're opening up opportunities both within Northern itself and outside of Northern. As a result, we've produced a suite of modules that we're going to be delivering them in the North East over time, and they're going to be concentrating on 4 key areas. So the first area is who are we? Who are Northern? We're not just a train operating company. We operate trains, of course, but we can open up lots of opportunities in new areas within Northern. The second one's about customer service skills, making people understand what's important within customer service, because predominantly that's what we're here to serve, is the customers. The third one we're looking at is raising self-esteem. As I mentioned earlier, we recognise that there are areas where there's low self-esteem, people maybe not been in jobs for a long time. We're going to help skill them up to be able to raise their self-esteem, to be able to get them job ready. And the final one is on interview skills and techniques. If people haven't been applying for jobs in the region recently, or that it's a long time since they've had an interview, we can help them get ready for those interviews and maybe help with writing the CVs as well to get them prepared. So most of these modules are transferable skills. They're going to help our people build confidence and apply for the opportunities, not just within Northern, but also outside of Northern in the wider region as well.